Hello everyone, today I'll show you a quick and easy fix on how to fix Valorant's error code val5. This issue contains or has corrupted files or even Vanguard files. Okay, I'll show you the fix now. The first thing we need to do is by going to your Valorant on your desktop. So go ahead and right click on your Valorant and then click on properties. Go ahead and compatibility and then click on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Go ahead and click on apply and then okay. Once done, go ahead and try your Valorant if that fixed. And then another thing we could do is by going to your command prompt. Go ahead and type in command prompt on your Windows and then run as administrator. A black window will appear, and then I want you to go ahead and type this code, which is netsh winsock reset. Click enter, and then another one is netsh int ip reset. And then another one is ipconfig space/release. Another one is ipconfig space/renew. Go ahead and press enter. And then lastly, go ahead and type in ipconfig//dns. Then press enter. Then type in exit and you could exit out the window. And now on Riot Client, you want to click on your profile on the top right and go to settings. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on repair. Wait a bit, after it's done, you can restart your PC. Another method we could do is go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in services.msc. Like this, hit OK. From here, look for VGC. Once you scroll down and found VGC, just go ahead and click on right click and then properties. Once you click on properties, just go ahead and put the manual startup to automatic. Once you press automatic, just click on apply and OK. After that, just go ahead and right click and then start. Lastly, what we can do is go ahead and uninstall Vanguard on your Windows. So go to your Windows and then type in add or remove. Go ahead and click on it. Once there, go ahead and type in Vanguard. Once you see Vanguard, click on it and then click on uninstall. Once done, go ahead and reset your PC and then try to launch your Riot client, and there should be an update button on your Valorant. Go ahead and press enter and the error code should be fixed. That will be all today. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.